If you have a house in Lancaster, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, meaning no delays, no formal inspections and appraisals and numerous walkthroughs and putting a sign in the yard and all of the things that come with a traditional sale, no, you want to move fast, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Lancaster, Ohio, and we're able to move extremely quickly and still give you a fair price and buy the house in its as-is condition, because here's the big difference between us and a traditional buyer. We're a cash buyer. We're a true cash buyer. Sometimes when you're dealing, most times when you're dealing with more of a traditional buyer, when you're selling your house in Lancaster, they got to go through the formal loan process, the mortgage process. Maybe you've been through that process yourself when you bought a house. Maybe you've tried to work with these types of buyers before. This is the easiest buyer to basically fall out of contract. Their lender can mess up the deal. They got to go through the formal appraisals. They got to go through the formal inspections and everything like that. That's all out the window with us. We are a direct cash buyer, and we're able to give you a fair price for your house in Lancaster, buy the house in its as-is condition, and close on the date of your choice. And by the way, we have hundreds of reviews. We really do. We're local. We're not some call center located far away that's pretending to buy houses in Lancaster, even though they've never been in Ohio. Some of these call centers, I get the same text that you probably get. We want to buy your house and stuff like that. That's just marketing companies. That's what they're doing. We're here. We're local. We've been here for over 14 years buying houses, and we have tons of references, reviews, and positive testimonials. So if you want to move fast, the best way to do that is to work with a true cash buyer like us that's going to give you a fair price, but also buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything. You don't got to clean anything. You don't got to haul anything away. We truly will buy the house in its as-is condition, and we can close on the date of your choice, since there's no approvals needed from a bank or a mortgage company. So if you have a house in Lancaster, you're looking to sell the property fast, truly. Just last week, we got a call from somebody from the website, and from the day that seller called us to the day we actually closed was only 6 days. It's a real cash purchase. If you're looking to move fast, there's nowhere else to look than us. We have the track record. We can absolutely get this thing done for you. If you need more flexibility, you pick the date that we close. That's perfectly fine. We're going to make it happen for you. So if you have a house in Lancaster, you're looking to sell fast, call us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When we speak, there is no pressure. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. There's no script. It's just learning more about the house and then learning more about when you're looking to sell so we can accommodate your needs. This is what we do. We talk to 80 to 90 people a month. We do many, many transactions. We got tons of references. Like I mentioned, we love the opportunity to speak with you. There's no obligation to give us a call and at least see what we can do. So if you have a house in Lancaster, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.